Hi everyone, so today we will be calculating the relative molecular mass or MR, or the relative formula mass, MR also, of several substances. So let's first look at it. So we are going to calculate firstly the relative molecular mass of hydrogen, H2. So first we must understand that H2 means that there are two H atoms. Okay, so one H atom, what is the mass? So we need to find first from the periodic table. So you find your periodic table and you see that periodic table, the relative atomic mass is given as 1. So if 1H is have a mass of 1, then 2H would therefore be 2 times 1 equals 2. So the relative molecular mass of hydrogen, H2, is 2. Let's look at the next one. Magnesium chloride, MgCl2. So MgCl2 means that there is 1 Mg, and the 2 here means that there is Cl and Cl. So let's go to the periodic table to find out what's the mass of Mg and Cl. So over here we can see the Mg, you see relative atomic mass over here is the lower one, so Mg is 24, and then for chlorine the relative atomic mass is 35.5. So over here we got Mg, which is 24, and then chlorine, which is 35.5. 35.5. Okay, so therefore the Mr of magnesium chloride is 24 plus 2 times 35.5. Again, why is it 2? Is because there's a 2 right over here. So this one is therefore 24 plus 71, and then this will give me 95. Okay, the 95. Alright, let's look at another one over here. Lime water, CaOH2, calcium hydroxide. So maybe you might want to pause the video here to try it yourself first and then check your answer. So calcium hydroxide, the formula means that there are one Ca and then there is OH and another OH. So total we have 2 O's, 2 H and 1 Ca. So let's check the mass of the elements. So Ca, you can see it's 40, the mass. O, the mass is 16, and H, the mass is 1. So let's go back here. This is 40, this is 16, this is 1, and because of the 2 right here, there's 2 of them, 16 and 1. So over here, we will do Mr of calcium hydroxide is equals to 40 plus 2 times 16 plus 1. Okay, so what I'll get here is 40 plus 34, and then this is 74. Right? So I hope you got that correct. Let's look at other examples. So ethanol, CH3, CH2OH. Okay, maybe you can pause the video here to try it out first. So the Mr, right, there is 2 C's. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 H's, and there's 1 O. So that's 2 times 12, which is the mass of carbon. Check the periodic table. 6 times 1 plus 1 times 16. So this is 24, 30, and then this is 46. Okay, let's do one last example. We've got aluminum carbonate, Al2, CO3, great bracket 3. Alright, so pause the video here, try it. Okay, so the Mr of aluminum carbonate, there is 2 aluminum, right? 2 aluminum. There is a total of 3 carbons. So this 3 and this C here, there's 3 carbons. And there's a total of 9 oxygen. So there's a 3 here and there's a 3 here. So there's 9 oxygen. Make sure you understand chemical formula like that. Okay, so aluminum, if you check the periodic table, aluminum is 27. Okay, so 2 times 27. Carbon is 12. Check the periodic table. And then 9 times 16. Okay, so let me bring up my calculator. So we have 2 times 27 plus 3 times 12 plus 9 times 16. 9 times 16. So we got 2, 3, 4. Okay, so do practice, do the practices that I've given you, and I hope this helps you for all the future parts. Right, all the best. Bye.